Hi everyone. I'm an Indian chartered accountant, a working professional, and a mom. And I've just cleared my US CPA. Balancing work, family, and studies is no joke. There were moments I genuinely wanted to quit, but thank God I was with Shraddha ma'am and Pixalam. She counseled me mentally and emotionally throughout every low point of this journey, and that support made all the difference. Her classes, I used to look forward to every single one. She starts from the very basics and takes you right to the most advanced level. No gaps, full coverage, every topic done justice with. And it doesn't stop at the class. At every topic, she guides me exactly. She used to guide us exactly how to go about the topic after the class, how to solve the MCQs, when are you ready to attend the TBS, how to pace yourself. See, she essentially builds up the study routine for you, and then you go topic by topic with clarity. And our LMS is beautifully structured. Everything is so organized that whenever you want to revisit or revise a topic, even when you are traveling or on the go, you can just easily open the LMS and you can just revise the topic. And one more important thing, she respects your time. Whatever deadline she commits to, that if she commits that she'll be completing the course in 3 months or 4 months, she genuinely completes it within the time. So for a working professional and for a parent, it is very important that the course is finished and that reliability is very important. I mean, it is everything. Now that's all. I genuinely miss the classes. That feeling says it. I mean, I miss that feeling that waking up early and waiting for the class, waiting for ma'am to come. And I know anybody who is serious about cracking US CPA and who is already working and who has family responsibilities also, I would seriously suggest to talk to her at least and you know um, be with her if you really want to crack the classes. She's really helpful, and I'm really grateful that I was associated and with this degree now. Thank you.